Welcome to Vaidehi Gems and Jewelers. This video explores the making of a very light-weighted hoop earring with a beaten effect on its wire. We are committed to making delicate designs in handcrafting jewelry. Enjoy this video. Thank you. Stay tuned by like and subscribe by Vaidehi Gems AJ on your Instagram handle or call and WhatsApp us at 9799886262. Thanks for watching.